They said the AI revolution would replace jobs. What they didn't tell you is, it's also creating millionaires faster than any time in history. From freelancers using ChatGPT to entrepreneurs building six-figure automation businesses, ordinary people are turning artificial intelligence into real income. And they're doing it from their laptops. The truth is, we're not entering the future. The future is already here. And those who understand this shift, they're becoming the new rich. So today on Asset Bloom, we're breaking down how AI is quietly building a new world economy, and how you can become part of it before it's too late. A decade ago, AI sounded like science fiction. Today it writes code, designs ads, trades stocks, and even runs small businesses. We've entered an era where knowledge, not labor, is the new currency. In 2025, AI is no longer just a tool. It's a partner in wealth creation. According to PwC, AI is expected to add over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's bigger than the GDP of China and India combined. But here's the real story. The biggest winners aren't tech giants. They're individuals, creators, freelancers, and investors who are using AI to scale faster, think smarter, and earn more with less effort. Let's explore how this new AI economy is minting millionaires and how you can ride this wave before it crashes. The AI Gold Rush. Why this is the new internet moment. Every generation has one defining opportunity. For our parents, it was the internet. For us, it's artificial intelligence. In 1999, people who built simple websites became millionaires. In 2025, people who build AI-powered systems, chatbots, automation tools, or digital agencies are doing the same. Platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude have lowered the barrier to entry. You don't need a degree or investors. You just need creativity and curiosity. Take Sean Patel, who built an entire copywriting agency using AI tools and scaled to six figures in under a year. Or Katie Smith, who automates real estate marketing for agents using ChatGPT prompts, now earning more than most full-time jobs. The question isn't whether AI will replace your job. The real question is, will you learn to manage the AI that replaces it? How people are actually making money with AI. AI millionaires aren't just sitting in Silicon Valley. They're everywhere, because AI allows global leverage. Let's look at a few of the most common wealth paths in this new economy. AI freelancing, people offering AI-generated design, writing or marketing on Fiverr and Upwork, making $5K to $20K a month. Automation agencies, entrepreneurs building AI systems for small businesses, replacing manual workflows. AI content creation, YouTubers, bloggers, and TikTok creators using AI to write scripts, generate visuals, and scale production. Digital product businesses, AI-generated templates, ebooks, and courses, all created once and sold infinitely. Investing and trading, AI tools helping traders analyze markets faster, spot trends, and make data-driven decisions. This isn't hype. It's happening right now. The world's new wealth builders aren't working harder. They're working smarter. The mindset that separates winners from watchers. Technology alone doesn't create wealth. Mindset does. Those thriving in this AI era share three key traits. They act fast. They test tools while others wait for tutorials. They build assets. They use AI to create systems that keep earning, not one-time gigs. They learn constantly, because AI evolves weekly, not yearly. The truth is, information is free, but execution is priceless. Every AI millionaire you'll hear about didn't just know what to do. They actually did it. The shift from jobs to ownership. The old world paid you for time. The new world pays you for systems. AI allows you to build digital leverage, meaning your work earns even when you're asleep. If you create a prompt system, a digital product, or an automated agency, you own something that scales without more effort. That's the new definition of wealth. Not working harder, but designing systems that work for you. As investor Naval Ravikant said, you're not going to get rich renting out your time. You must own equity in a business, product, or process. AI just made that possible for everyone. Why this is just the beginning. We're only in Chapter 1. By 2030, the AI industry could create over 100 million new roles that don't exist today. Roles like AI ethicist, prompt engineer, or data storyteller. That means the opportunity window is wide open. But like every gold rush, it won't stay open forever. The earlier you start learning, building, and experimenting, the more likely you are to own the systems others will depend on. Here's how to start participating in the new world economy. Pick an AI tool and master it. ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, or Notion AI for productivity. Turn it into value. Help others save time or money with your skill. Build an audience or client base. Your network is your multiplier. Automate what you can. Time is your most expensive cost. Invest your profits in real assets, stocks, index funds, or your own business. Start small, but start now. The world is shifting faster than ever. AI isn't just changing how we work. It's changing who wins. In this new economy, those who learn to use AI will thrive. Those who ignore it will depend on those who didn't. You can either fear the machines or train them to work for you. So take this as your wake-up. Call, learn, build, create, and join the new generation of wealth creators shaping the future. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, share it with someone chasing success, and subscribe to Asset Bloom, where we decode money, mindset, and the future of W